How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about something that I think a lot of English learners struggle with:
Oh, yeah? What's that?
confidence. How to stay confident when speaking English, even when you feel nervous?
Mmm. Oh, that's a big one. I've seen so many students freeze up when they try to speak.
Yeah, exactly. It's not that they don't know English, they just get scared.
Right. I totally get that. Honestly, even native speakers get nervous sometimes.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Like, I remember one time I had to give a presentation at work. My heart was racing, my hands were shaking, and my voice cracked.
Oh no. What did you do?
I took a deep breath, smiled, and told myself, hey, it's okay to be nervous. And once I started talking, I relaxed a little.
That's actually great advice. I think people forget that being nervous is normal.
Exactly. It means you care.
Yeah. I remember when I first moved to another country, I had to speak a little Spanish. I was so scared to make mistakes that I almost didn't talk at all.
Been there.
But then one day, this sweet lady at a coffee shop smiled and said, "Your Spanish is good." I realized people aren't judging you. They're usually happy you're trying.
That's so true. Most people are kind and they respect you for speaking another language.
Yeah, I think one way to stay confident is to remember that nobody expects you to be perfect.
Exactly. I always tell my students, you're learning. You're allowed to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of the process.
You know what helps too? Practicing small conversations every day, like talk to a friend, order coffee, or just say hi to a neighbor.
Totally. Those small moments help you build confidence, little by little.
Yeah, it's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
I love that. Confidence is a muscle.
Exactly.
I think another trick is to change how you talk to yourself.
What do you mean?
Like, instead of thinking, "I'm bad at English," try saying, "I'm learning English and I'm getting better every day."
Oh, yeah. Positive self-talk. That's powerful.
Yeah, the way you talk to yourself can really change how you feel.
For sure. When I was learning Spanish, I used to say, okay, maybe I'll sound funny, but I'm doing my best.
That's the spirit.
Sometimes it helps to prepare a few sentences before speaking, just to feel ready.
Oh, like little go-to phrases?
Exactly. Like, sorry, can you repeat that? Or, let me think for a second.
That's so smart. Those phrases can give you time to breathe.
Yeah, and when you have them ready, you don't panic as much.
Mm-hmm. I think confidence also comes from connection. When you focus on the person, not your mistakes, it feels easier.
Oh, wow. That's true. Like when you really listen, you stop worrying about yourself so much.
Exactly. Conversation is about sharing, not performing.
That's such a good point.
I mean, think about it. Even native speakers forget words or say things wrong sometimes.
Oh, yeah. I do that all the time.
Me too. So if you forget a word, just smile, use your hands, or describe it. Communication is more than just words.
Totally agree. Confidence isn't about speaking perfectly. It's about keeping the conversation going.
Yes, exactly.
You know what else helps? Recording yourself.
Really?
Yeah, I used to record myself speaking Spanish and then listen later. At first, I hated my voice.
Oh, same here.
But after a while, I started to notice progress. I could actually hear myself getting better.
That's such a great idea. It's like giving yourself proof that you're improving.
Yeah, and that builds confidence too.
I love that. So, to sum it up, staying confident when speaking English is about a few things: accepting mistakes, thinking positive, practicing small talks, and focusing on connection.
Danba smiles. Exactly. And don't forget to be kind to yourself.
Oh, yes. Learning a language takes courage. You should be proud of every word you speak.
100%. Every time you speak, you're growing.
So, to anyone watching, don't wait until you feel ready. Just start speaking, even if your voice shakes.
Because confidence doesn't come before speaking, it comes after you start speaking.
That's beautiful.
Thanks. I've been saving that one.
You're such a teacher.
Guilty.
All right, friends, go out there, speak, make mistakes, and keep smiling.
You've got this. Stay confident, stay curious, and keep learning with us here on Real Talk Learners.
See you next time.